Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. I'm back with one more beautiful designing. It's bridal collection designing with very grand and heavy look. Firstly, I have highlighted the neckline using the chain bow lace and the pearl lace. Next to that, I'd be marking the line, leaving the gap of 1 centimeter, and on that line I'd be applying the glue like this to stick the chain bow lace again. Chain bow lace is completely optional, either you can try with the stone lace or pearl. Now besides that, I'd be applying the glue lines in the shape of V to stick leaf frame kundans of gold color. This is of very small size. This pattern is exclusively designed for the bridal collection. You can also try this on your old stitched blouses to convert into new designer blouse, which will really gives heavy and rich elegant. Now besides these frames, I'd be applying the glue line again. This is to stick again the chain bow lace and the pearl lace. Following this step-by-step process, it will make your work easy to do on stitched or unstitched blouses on the neckline. This type of fancy customized designing, you can also try this on plain suits to convert into designer suits. All these materials which I have used for this designing are easily available in the fancy stores, tailoring material shops. Also the links provided in the description box if you want to check it. Now the glue part is completely dried. We have to give an invisible stitches on this chain bow lace and pearl lace. Both at a time I'll be giving the stitch. Also on these frames and next to these lines also. The glued ones will make your work easy to do, and this is how we have to give an invisible stitches completely on the neckline. Now further extending this design using the metallic beads of 1 mm size followed with the sugar beads. Both I'd be inserting at a time in the shape of V. Firstly we have to stitch underneath with the 2 metallic gold balls with the sugar beads, and now in the center also I'd be joining in this way, maintaining the gap of 1 inch approximately. This way I'll give the stitch of beads joining on the complete neckline. Now that the invisible stitches is completely done, I'd be applying the glue on these leaf shaped frames. This is to stick the pearls of leaf shape. You can also try this designing using the contrasted colors which is matching to your garment colors. Now on the leftover space on this blouse, I'd be applying the glue dots randomly like this. And this is here I'd be stitching golden bead with the sugar bead. Here also I'd be using 1 mm gold metallic bead. Both I'd be inserting at a time and give the stitch on these dots. Once the stitch is done, we have to give an overlocking knot like this. Once completed, the beautiful neckline would look like this. Really, it's been embellished with pearl work, also with the complete gold work, which really enhances the customized style and elegance. This is how it looks towards another side. The complete pattern with the sleeves, which is really heavily designed, and really friends, this is looking pretty good, isn't it? I hope sharing of this idea is really useful to you all. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more.